A lot of people don't know how to layer jewelry, particularly necklaces. Most people will feel comfortable wearing one necklace, but when it comes to wearing two or three or more, they're really not sure what are some of the ground rules to follow. So this is a video to help you with that. Now, as you can see, I'm wearing two necklaces, but I'm also wearing a jacket, which creates sort of this long band here throughout my torso, wearing it with some slim jeans and a just very simple shirt underneath. If I was to wear only one necklace, this would really look incomplete. It seems like there's this just general blank area here that would need to be filled in. And the same thing if I was to wear just the one longer necklace, it would seem again like there's just this one piece. And so having two necklaces together really helps to fill in this general area. Now, one of the things that you want to do when you're wearing these necklaces, now if you want to see, I've got this top one here, which is made with a couple of guitar picks, and this is actually a piece of cymbal that I cut out and upcycled. This one is made from guitar strings and again, a guitar pick. Now, if you look at how I layered these, you kind of have this about 1 inch space here between the bottom of the first necklace and the top, if you will, of the second necklace. And that's a pretty good rule of thumb. You really want to avoid having necklaces superimposed like this or having too much of a space. Now, if this one here was hanging all the way down here, again, you'd have much too much space between the two necklaces, and that would seem incomplete. So what you want to do is you really want to look at having a balanced look, having them not superimposed, and really making sure that you're filling in the space between your neckline and the bottom of your shirt. The other thing too is you'll notice that the first necklace starts either at my neckline, or if I was to wear something that was a little bit longer, I would want it to start right where the second pendant is, just at or just slightly below the neckline of the shirt. So again, I don't have it sort of in a weird, awkward spot. I wanted to have it balanced out, really looking to have that layered look. If you have any questions regarding the information I provided today, regarding the jewelry that you saw, or even regarding what I do as a business, which is upcycling musical instruments, strings, and pieces to create beautiful jewelry and gifts, go to my website, doremiebracelets.ca, and book a 30-minute free consultation with me. I'm always happy to be of service. My name's Annette, and I'm the artist and owner behind Do Re Mi Bracelets, etc. Have a great day.